Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Glossy box. This is not nail related at all, but I thought I'd do the video anyway. So this is a monthly subscription of beauty products. I used to get this years ago, but it sort of started to go downhill a little bit, so I stopped, and then I thought I would give it another chance basically. So I can't remember if you get like 5 deluxe sized products. I really can't remember how it works, but yeah, anyway, let's open this. What can I use? Use the pen. Don't fancy breaking a nail. Oh, that bloody worked well, didn't it? There we go. Oh, I remember. Oh, so it comes in this beautiful pink box. At the bottom we had a few leaflets, food spring, Hello Fresh, £60 off, and Freshest, Ocado. I will put them to one side. So here we go. Please be a good one. So yeah, you get your bow, but they didn't tie it up. Maybe it was too much effort for them. So this box is all eyes on me. I'm not gonna open it because it tells you what's inside. So it has this cute tissue paper with the sticker. Okay. Right, let me put this to the side so I have some room. So firstly we have this Ciba Med Anti-Aging Q10 Lifting Eye Cream. Proven reduction of wrinkles. Science for healthy skin. Less wrinkles in 28 days. We shall see. I can't bloody open the thing. God, I don't want to open. There we go. So yeah, 15 mils. The pH 5.5 promotes the natural barrier function of the skin's acid. After cleansing the skin thoroughly, apply the cream twice a day around the eyes and pat lightly with finger tips until absorbed. Avoid direct contact with eyes. I'm not exactly going to pour it in my eye, am I? Okay, I don't know if that smells because I have just creamed my crusty hands. So there's that. Shall I just look in that? Yeah, so it says, say hello to bright, youthful looking eyes thanks to this Q10 cream. Did you know that Q10 is a natural oxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage. Well, this newly launched product boosts a unique formula that infuses your skin with Q10, helping to maintain its elasticity and increase the production of new skin cells. Gently pat into the skin around your eye area after cleansing. So the retail price is £7.29. Okay, then we have this Ico London mascara, Black Magic. I'm not going to open it because, I mean the actual thing, because yeah, oh, it's in like a squeezy bottle. That's pretty cool. It is 4 mils. So yeah, you can just see the picture there of what the wand would look like. And that retails, okay, yeah, this is the deluxe mini 4 mil worth £10. The full size is £19. £10 for a small, bloody hell. Okay. Then we have this Ciate London Stamp and Drag. Is that going to be an eyeliner maybe? I can't open these bloody things. There we go. I can't bloody get it out. There we go. So, Stamp and Drag. Okay. So this is the thing that, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, that you do the wing with. Okay. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing this will be the, yeah. That's nice. Nice and black. We'll see if that dries matte. So that retails for £15. Okay, then we have Sleek Highlight Palette. God, this is going to be fun. I love their packaging. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so we have a cream highlighter and 3 powders. Shall I swatch? Shall I be one of them? Nice. It's pretty. Yeah, I really like that. I'm not sure that's going to be showing up too great on camera. But that's very pretty. I like that. So that is retail £9.99. And then we have this. Yeah, this is the last thing. So you do get 5. This is Mukko Beauty. It's a lipstick called Flawless. It's So I'm guessing this will be probably a nude, isn't it? Okay, so this is the Deluxe. This is a deluxe mini, not Deluxe. This is also full size. This is also full size. And the sleek is full size. And also this is full size. And this retails £15. So it's just like a bullet lipstick. Oh, that smells kind of peachy. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, that smells lovely. I like that. So let's do quick maths. Give me a sec, I'll come back. Okay, so I paid £10 plus £3, let's say £3.50 postage. And I've worked out that this content is £57.28. So I'm pretty happy with that. Not going to complain at all. I'll use it all, to be honest with you. Excuse me. I haven't worn makeup for well over a year. So getting this stuff now will probably give me the encouragement to start wearing it. But yeah, I'll definitely try this eye cream out. Let you guys know how I get on with that. So yeah, so again, they are the colours of the highlight. There's the lipstick and the eyeliner. It just it doesn't dry matte. It has like a, I don't know if you can see, shine to it, which I prefer a matte, but I'm not going to complain. Anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching. I will leave the links to Glossy box down below, and yeah, that's it. Anyway, take care. Bye bye.